be lost without it. When I was your age, I didn't even take vitamins. Now I'm choking down a cocktail of pills 3 times a day. But I do what my doctor tells me because I trust him. Trust is a commodity our family holds very high, you know.
Dude, what's going on with the TV?
My daughter, well, your Aunt Kate, died doing what she thought was right. Her intentions may have been a bit misguided.
A bit?
Like that. Oh, you remind me of her. She challenged me too.
Is that what you want me to do? Challenge you?
I want you to trust me. You're going to find yourself put in a position where you question the trust of people close to you, even your closest friends. And when that happens, you have to know the trust you never question is family. Can I trust you, Allison?
Yeah.
Yeah. Speak with conviction, yes or no.
Yes. You can trust me.
I told you, I walked in and I saw the Jeep on top of the guy. That's all. What's wrong with your hand? Nothing. Can I just get out of here now?
Look, if there's something you don't think you can tell me,
You think I'm lying?
no, of course not. I'm just worried about you. If you saw someone do this, if you're afraid that maybe they're going to come back, make sure you don't say anything about it.
I didn't see anything. At all. Can I go now, please?
Not your Jeep. You're going to have to impound it.
Sorry, kid. Evidence.
I'll see you at home.
But will at least make sure they wash it.
Scott?
You're right. It's not like him. His eyes were almost like killing. There was something about him. What do you mean? You know when you see like a friend in a Halloween mask, but all you can actually see are their eyes? You feel like you know him, but you just can't figure out who it is.
You figured out who it is?
No. But I think it knew me.
Does anyone want to try not being completely predictable? It's the last time you do that.
Why? Because I'm a beta?
No. Because I have someone else in mind for you.
Are we done? I got about 100 bones in a few hours. Yeah.